Hi guys, this is Rahul and you're welcome to gomahamai.com. In this beautiful tutorial, we'll be learning how to use text editor of the Elementor element plugin. So first step is to drag and drop the position where you want the text editor to be. Let's say I want my text editor to be in this area, I'll drag and drop it. If you want your text editor to be in this area, drag and drop it. This is the simple terms. And next, if you want to create in separate places, you just click on that section and then choose the section with the number of columns. Let's say we want 2 sections, so I'll go to this option and then I'll go to text editor, drag and drop it. So you can see my text editor is there in first half column. If you want one more, go ahead and drag it in the second half column too. Now I'll go, you can edit this using this bold, italic and paragraph. Numbering is there. You can even click on the toggle bar to expand some of the feature like text color, block code and rest other feature. Like you can even use increase intent, like adding some extra space in the beginning. Let's say I want to increase in this area, I'll put Ctrl Z now, and then this was the first part. If you want to add some images inside it, just go to add media and insert the images. This was similar to WordPress classic editor that we were using earlier. If you want to see the code of this, just go to text part and this will be the code for your text part, right? Next option we have drop cap. Drop cap is going to make the first letter as highlighted and capital. So when you turn on, you can see there's a first letter start with L. If I turn on this, you can see the L is bigger letter. And if you want to modelize this, if you want to change the style, color, you just need to go to style and there you'll find drop caps. You'll find that option only when you will enable drop cap. If you'll turn it off, you'll not find drop cap in this area. Only text editor is there. So I'll turn it on just for now and I'll go to drop cap, and there you have option to choose a style, stacked or frame. So there are 2 type of style you can choose. You can choose a color, primary color, secondary color is there, and then you can create a text shadow. You can adjust the size, space between these letters and L, and there's a like border radius you can manage, right? And next is typography you can manage. And next I'll go back to content, and there we have column. So column is nothing but in how many columns you want to display this particular content. Let's say by default is there, it will automatically after reaching this particular place, it will start from the next line, but you can define it. You want to display in 3 column, so it will break all the content by itself. So it will be like in 3 column, 1, 2, 3 column. Currently I want my content to be in one single column, 1, 2, 3. Earlier was 3 column, but now it's told 1 column. A gap between the columns. If you are going to create a column, let's say I want it to be in 2 columns, so I want to create a gap between the columns. So this is like how column works. I'm going to turn this drop cap off because I already taught you this one how drop cap works. Now we'll go to style, and there's alignment. How you want your text to be get aligned. It should be like center, like this, right, justified or left. You can choose any of the format, and there's an option called responsive. Like you have 3 options. You can choose for mobile, I want the text to be there only in the center, like this it will be there. So you have different devices. Based on the devices you can choose the alignment of the text. And next we have text color. You can choose any color to your text. And then we have a typography. You can manage the typography, font size, weight, like bold, italic you can manage. And then we have a shadow of our text. So I hope you find this video useful. If you did, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more further updates. Thank you.